A Cyrillic is a system for rendering words of a language that normally uses a writing system other than the Cyrillic script into the Cyrillic alphabet. A Cyrillic scheme needs to be applied, for example, to transcribe names of German, Chinese, or American people and places for use in Russian, Ukrainian, Serbian, Macedonian, or Bulgarian newspapers and books. Cyrillic is analogous to romanization, when words from a non-Latin script using language are rendered in the Latin alphabet for use e.g., in English, German, or Francophone literature. Just as with various romanization schemes, each Cyrillic system has its own set of rules, depending on the source language or writing system, the destination language or writing system. The goals of the systems: to render occasional foreign words for use in newspapers or on maps, to provide a practical approximate phonetic transcription in a phrasebook or a bilingual dictionary, or to convert a language to a Cyrillic writing system altogether. Linguistic and/or political inclinations of the designers of the system. When the source language uses a fairly phonetic spelling system, a Cyrillic scheme may often be adopted that almost amounts to a transliteration, i.e., using a mapping scheme that simply maps each letter of the source alphabet to some letter of the destination alphabet, sometimes augmented by position-based rules. Among such schemes are several schemes universally accepted in Eastern Slavic languages: Cyrillicization of Chinese, Cyrillicization of English, Cyrillicization of Esperanto, Cyrillicization of French, Cyrillicization of German, Cyrillicization of Italian, Cyrillicization of Portuguese, Cyrillicization of Greek, Cyrillicization of Japanese, Cyrillicization of Korean. Similarly, simple schemes are widely used to render Spanish, Italian, etc. words into Russian, Ukrainian, etc. When the source language uses a not particularly phonetic writing system, most notably English and French, its words are typically rendered in Russian, Ukrainian or other Cyrillic-based languages using an approximate phonetic transliteration system, which aims to allow the Russian, Ukrainian, Bulgarian, etc. readers to approximate the sound of the source language as much as it is possible within the constraints of the destination language and its alphabet. Among the examples of the practical transcription of English into Russian, which aims to render English words into Russian based on the sounds, and transliteration of foreign words by a Cyrillic alphabet and Cyrillicisation of the English language in the case of Ukrainian. While this scheme is mostly accepted by a majority of Russian and Ukrainian authors and publishers, transcription variants are not uncommon. A transliteration system for the Bulgarian Cyrillisation of English has been designed by the Bulgarian linguist Andrei Danchev. Similarly, phonetic schemes are widely adopted for Cyrillisation of French.